Hi guys, in this video we will see Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G 4 amazing features you must know. How to customize and resize quick panel items on Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G. You can easily resize or rearrange your quick settings panel. Swipe down from the top right corner and quick panel settings will now open. Here you can easily resize or realign your quick settings items. Here are the process. Tap on a small pencil icon from top right corner. Tap on it and you can see a round sign will appear on your quick each item. You can easily drag horizontal or vertical to change or resize your quick panel item. You can simply tap and drag, tap, hold and drag any item from one place to another place as per your choice, and you can also drag the items to resize it. So this is the method. You can easily drag or drop each items to realignment and rearrange, and also some items you can also change size of some items. Simply drag the item and you can see resize your size of your quick settings, quick panel items in your Samsung Galaxy or any other mobile Android phone. You can easily rearrange or resize quick panel item. How to change font size and contrast on Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G, and you can easily make your Samsung Galaxy phone easy to use, larger font size and high contrast. Here are the process. Tap on settings of your Samsung Galaxy. Here scroll down and you will find the option accessibility. Tap on accessibility. Here you will find vision enhancements. At the top of the page, vision enhancement. Tap on it. Here you will find three options: default, high contrast and enlarge. So choose as per your choice. If you choose enlarge and choose apply, you can see your font size is highly contrasted and easy to use. If you choose high contrast, then your Samsung Galaxy will go on dark mode and also highlighted font. If you choose enlarge content, then your Samsung Galaxy phone font size will change and easy to use. Enlarge font size and some other features also in large mode. If you want to change it, then you can easily choose default settings and you will back in normal mode. How to move photos or videos to your private album on Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G. If you want to move any photo and video to your private album, here are the process. Go to gallery of your Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G and here select the photo which you want to move private album. Simply, for example, I will move this photo to private album. Click on three vertical dot against top right corner and here you will find move to private album. Tap on it and you can see your photo is now successfully. Click on move one item to photo album. Click on tap on move and your photo is removed from normal gallery and it will found only on private album. How to view private album? Simply tap on gallery. Here tap on menu from the bottom right corner, and here you will find private album. Tap on it, and here unlock your iPhone with your passcode or Face ID or biometric, and your moved photo will now visible here. If you want to remove here, simply tap on remove from here. See how to update an app on Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G. If you want to update an particular app, then here are the process. Tap on settings of your Samsung Galaxy phone. You may apply this method for all Samsung Galaxy phone. Here look for the app settings, tap on apps, tap on app settings. Here choose the apps which you want to update. Simply scroll down and tap on app details to store in a store, and here you will further proceed to Google Play Store, and here tap on update to update an app particularly. If you want to update all apps in your Samsung Galaxy app, then go to Google Play Store and tap on your profile icon from the top right corner. Tap on your profile icon from the top right corner, and here choose manage apps. Tap on it, and here choose available update available, and if you choose update all your apps will be updated in one tap. And if you want to individually update any app, then simply tap on update against each app, and accordingly your Samsung app will be updated.